Rain, let me see. Y'all, it's taking forever. It's hot, bro. Like, it's so freaking hot. And I see how it ran, y'all. But I didn't record. And why is it so blurry? So y'all know it's a little bit dark, but it's because I'm in my room. But we back from the parade, and we watching Netflix right now, me and Bernard. Cause baby, it's too hot outside. But later on, we gonna I don't know what we doing later on. The parade was kind of good though. It was kind of good. I seen my friend. Surprisingly, she was in it, but I saw her. I don't want to watch this. Okay, so we about to watch a movie. I gotta try when we doing something, because we're not gonna be sitting here all day, but we sitting there for right now. It's like 12:30 around that time. Yeah, it's around 12:30. So yeah, we probably finna watch. I don't know. So y'all, I was eating, but I'm done eating now. So I came back up in my room because baby, they up in there taking my seat. Like, so I just came back in here. I like my hair. Okay, what was I about to say though? I forgot. I'm rich off pain. Rich off pain. Rich off pain. Rich off pain. Oh yeah, only reason why I wasn't talking in there was because it's music playing. I was directly by Alexa. So yeah. Rich off pain. I'm gonna get the necklace in there. Show her the necklace. Look, it's going. Wait, y'all, let's take a thumbnail. Phone ring on the way to the show. Mr. Mercedes heard me on the radio. Okay, come on. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Come on, thumbnail. Okay. That's it. Now we about to go back in there in a minute. We about to go back in there right now, actually. So yeah, let's go. Y'all walk in. Okay. So y'all happy birthday,
baby. You
move. Stop moving it. I'm trying to do something. Okay, y'all. So we waiting for everybody. Oh. Yeah, it's nighttime, y'all. I don't do firecrackers, like, I don't. I'll watch them, but I'm not gonna pop
Uncle Andrew like a male stripper. Go look. Look at how he look at that bubble. Now why he ain't looking no more?
He is looking.
He look like a male stripper. Oh, mama,
just know. Go back in the house. When they walk in, I want you to start singing. Okay? Be mine. Oops. Could have been. Oh, you can walk in with them. You gonna walk in? Come on. Scared.
OG.
It ain't working. Maybe we just shouldn't do it. Y'all stand back. It's okay. We don't have to do that. It's sparking. It's sparking. I'm scared. I'm scared. Well, come on. What does the 6 do? Hurry up. I'm just scared, you know. Oh, that don't hurt? Yeah, because that's our little... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me, Mom. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Come this way. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Lord, that's good. Oh, I didn't see them eyes closed. She was probably keeping them tears pushed back. Look, her eyes watery, y'all. Her eyes are watery. Happy birthday. Already. How you feel, girl? Yeah, but y'all know what she told me? Not to put her on her, huh? I still got the copyright. I got you.
She ate crab legs, now her whole tooth missing.
I've been acting brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. So many raps, I can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pee, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off. Leave the club, slap me drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard you from the south, you trying to see me knock your socks off. Told them, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I don't go like Riz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Put around my neck, it cost arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me prick.
Get off my mama's car.
I think it's done. You don't gotta keep shaking it. It's done. Oh, I'm scared. That scared me. Because I didn't know it was going to go up like that.
Go like that one in the street.
What the heck was that? That was...
What is gonna supposed to do?
And not blame everybody for my problems. I ain't blame myself. And I think money solved my problems. That
Oh, yeah.
I'm not singing the whole song.
I know you're not.
I was just singing a little part.
When do you ever...
If you get your big old head out the way,
Yes, I used to.
it ain't even gonna do nothing. Oh my! Y'all gotta get on top of the car because baby, that thing that scared me. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, hold on. Let me show y'all this next one. It's kind of dark. See, I can't really see nothing, but we got a light right there and it don't even help. And the other light not on. So. I blame everybody for my problems. I ain't blame myself. Strug your shoulder. It's your shoulder. Bow, bow. Oh, there go another one. Oh, I'm scared. What if it come this way? Oh, it ain't even lit no more. Oh, it's not even lit no more because he threw it. So y'all, 4th of July is over. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm about to take a shower and go to sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and end out this video. So bye y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and give me any suggestions that y'all have down below. Because baby, I'll take suggestions and I will do it. So yeah, do that. I'm gonna edit this video. I might have it posted either tomorrow.